Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel 𝐔𝐿𝐿𝐿92. Today my video is about the wireless charger of Samsung Galaxy S24 and iPhone. This charger is compatible with especially with the Samsung Galaxy S24 S series because when the problem came in my mobile, so I buy this one for wireless charging. So this is QI wireless charger. The compatible wireless charger of Galaxy S24 is QI wireless charger. Don't buy other technology, only QI wireless charger you can buy. So this is QI wireless charger, and the ports came in this one is 4 ports are coming in this one. One is type C and USB ports. I think 2 type C and 2 USB ports. This is 65 watt wireless charger. This is not 65 watt wireless charger. Actually total is 65 watt. Maybe you think the wireless charger is 65, but in wireless charging it's come up to 15 watt. As I search a lot of wireless chargers, but I found the maximum 15 watt super fast output, 65 watt super fast output. So this is the Goui Boost 65 wireless desk charger, multi-port 65 watt. Okay, so here also the specification written on this one. Ports 65 watt, as I told you, compatible, magnetic. This one digital screen, also giving a nice digital screen in this one. You can see here it will show you the screen also how many watts, or when your mobile is charging, you can check how many watt is running now. This on complete C1 C2 A1 A2, when all are connected, then it will go to 65 watt. Okay, let's see from inside what is inside the box. So let's open the box. I'm going to open the box. We'll see inside what is inside. So the box is open now in front of you. So there is a lead cable given in this one. This is a 220 volt cable, which is connected to the direct to the switch, and it will give power to our charger. And this is the what is inside this is our charger inside. So this is the charger. You can see here, this is the screen given. This type C. See this one, D1.1, 2, 3, 4. 2 type C ports and 2 USB ports are given there. So these are 4, and the 5th one is your wireless charger. This is your wireless charger. You can put your mobile here upon that one, and this is C. This is the magnet given from inside connections. So this is the wireless charger of Galaxy S24, also used on iPhone. So all the specs given here also, which we already read from the box. So this is our Goui wireless charger, also given here in this box the catalogs. If you want to read, you can read these specifications, all written here. 65, it's a 65 watt charger.